Hello everybody, welcome to the IBS family. I'm Dr. Dimple Pandey from IBS Mumbai. I'm an electrical engineer from VTU University, MBA in Finance from IBS Hyderabad and a PhD in Management. I have over 6 years of experience in the corporate world and have been associated with companies like ICICI OneSource and JP Morgan Chase in the past. Regarding my academic experience, I have been associated with Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies and Bombay Stock Exchange in the past. I teach financial management, security analysis and portfolio management at IBS Mumbai. Why financial management? Financial management means planning, organizing, directing and controlling the financial activities such as procurement and utilization of funds of the enterprise. Proper management of an organization's finance provides the quality fuel and regular service to ensure efficient functioning. We'll study about risk versus return, time value of money, investments, and etc. How will I learn? What is the pedagogic design? All courses in IBS are organized as a blend of different components, including synchronous learning through online video conferencing, asynchronous learning through LMS-enabled videos, PowerPoint presentations, and open educational resources, evaluation and interaction through quizzes, class activities, assignments, both synchronous and asynchronous. If you need any help, you may connect with me on Moodle, that is Quick Force. Thank you so much and happy learning.